What's up, everybody? I was already a big fan of Inbal Budowski-Tal, Pendo's Senior Director of Machine Learning, so no surprise that the highlight of my day 2 at Pendomonium experience was AI adoption. It's all about the value, led by Inbal and her super talented colleague, Johnny Ross, Senior UX Researcher for Pendo. The presentation unpacked the way they think about AI, the customer requirements and considerations they use to build the generative AI native features and products that they're currently rolling out, as well as an AI framework, the 4 levels of AI that was especially well received by the audience, especially this guy. When it comes to enterprise adoption of AI, especially in highly regulated industries such as Wall Street, aka financial services, the questions Inbal and Johnny led with did a great job reinforcing the reality of the reality, aka the AI adoption requirements of enterprise buying committees that are making these types of investment decisions today and go forward. It's refreshing to see, in contrast to a whole lot of generative AI native features / products in the market that don't appear to be as grounded in these types of questions, aka just because you can build something doesn't mean that you should. My words, not anybody else's per se. Questions that Inbal and Johnny talked through included, how do I verify the AI summary is actually correct? Will the machine automatically decide things for me? What human-in-the-loop processes do you have to ensure that the AI is accurate? Will my data be exposed to third-party models? Will my data be commingled with others? And last but certainly not least, can I turn off the AI? The questions clearly informed the generative AI-enabled products and features on full display throughout keynotes, presentations, and demos within the main tent. This included Orchestrate, Listen, and Session Replay, which captured my undivided attention and imagination. More on that another time, but those were especially awesome. What I enjoyed was how Inbal presented the 4 levels of AI as a framework to understand the mental model of AI, toggled back and forth to real-world examples of each level, and then landed the plane by using them as a context to help the audience understand Guides AI by Pendo. She absolutely nailed it. No surprise. Level 1, which is manual process, no AI. Level 2, human-centric AI, manual process, AI assist. Level 3, machine-centric AI, AI process, human fine-tune. Level 4, fully automated AI, AI process, human-free, such as self-driving cars. Make sense? More to come on this for sure, as there are levels to this game, and this framework is what it's all about. Who knows? Maybe Inbal will do a 12-minute fireside chat with me so we can dig in a bit further on those 4 levels. What do you think? Anyhow, shout out to Pendo and the collective crew. One of the things I want to say is that there's a leading indicator around the economy and the condition of it that associates back to the sales of company swag. And I will find it and put it in the notes. But if there's any indication of how much a company's employees and team, as well as customers and prospective customers and clients, love a company, it's how much pink you saw on full display today and yesterday at Pendomonium. People love Pendo. Shout out Raleigh. Take care.